These are 90-ton units. These ones right here are, let's find out. Oh, of course. $45. So these are 45 ton units. So you have a 90. This is a 90. 45. 45. 45. Another 90. And the one we're working on is another 90. Freaking coils are dirty too. They got a bunch of other stuff, random stuff around here. Carrier, it seems like. So we are on vacuum here. Got these 3 new compressors installed. I wanted to add in a suction filter dryer can, but as you can see, there's no room here. And there's not a lot I can do here. And this is 2 and 5/8 right here, and I could have added something and then done some piping modifications, but with the time that I had and the fact that no 2 and 5/8 can was available, kind of just didn't work out. So plan B was we added in some HH cans or HH cores, and then I added in these refrigeration ball valves here, so that way we can isolate it, just the filter dryer side, and test. And if there's acid, we could just isolate, recover, change the cores, and put them back in and keep testing, because we do come out to this place every single month for monthly maintenance, so there is a lot of opportunity to check for acid and test, and we will just keep changing cores and or oil if we have to until all the acid is gone, because I do not want to destroy these new compressors. Like most people, I'm sure, don't want to destroy compressors, but we definitely don't. My boy Seth here is adding in some contactors. Say hello, sweetheart.
What up?
Just trying to get things done. My blue hoses are not that long, and you can see we got connections there, and I definitely especially with this being a 2 5/8 to 2 1/8. I am not going to use just one hose because I'll be here all damn day. So I'm trying 3 hoses. Seems to be working pretty good. I got the micron gauge on this side. Yeah, just trying to get her done. After the vacuum's done, we just charge it up and say our Hail Marys that nothing fails. Yeah, I'm gonna have to add in about a little over 1.5 gallons of oil because we had to take some of the oil out to get the oil equalizer on. I mean, the line is decent right now, but we took out 2 gallons of oil, so we should probably add the 2 gallons back. Compressors are all wired in, crankcase heaters all wired in. I mean, things are moving along.